Enabled engineering's SolidStir technology is used for making additively manufactured parts, metal forming, extrusions, and new material development. In this video, we are focusing on SolidStir as an independent supply chain repair technology where worn-out or broken components are used as feedstock to manufacture new parts which are as strong or stronger than the original components. Any CNC milling machine can be easily adapted to use SolidStir and become an AM or recycling system. Thus, there is inherent scalability of these systems based on the wide range of milling machines in use throughout the DoD, other government agencies, industry, and academia. Adding this capability to existing systems is a very efficient and more economical way to get this capability to the people and locations who need it the most, remote or in-the-field locations, for our service members around the globe. In addition, the system can be miniaturized and installed on the head of a robot arm for in-situ repairs in the field, opening a plethora of opportunities currently unavailable. Flexibility is at the core. SolidStir accepts nearly any form of metal as feedstock, rods, recycled parts, or scrap pieces. That means less need for shipping material into the field, reducing cost and increasing readiness. SolidStir creates near-net-shaped components in a variety of sizes, down to a 1/4 inch. Based on friction stir principles, cast material can be dynamically recrystallized into a fine-grained wrought microstructure component, delivering superior mechanical properties. Here we are demonstrating using SolidStir to repair a gouge in a plate. This technique is scalable and would apply to any part that fits within the system at hand. For remote or in-the-field applications, one can use a miniaturized tabletop system or a robot arm with a SolidStir end effector. In summary, enabled engineering SolidStir systems can be integrated with any existing CNC machine and deployed in diverse environments, on vehicles, ship decks, or even inside aircraft holds. The technology can also be miniaturized for mounting on industrial robots, enabling versatile solid-state repair applications. Beyond manufacturing new components, SolidStir allows broken or worn-out parts to be cut up and recycled as feedstock, producing new parts or extruding them into profiles, rods, and wires. These outputs can then serve as feedstock for welding or conventional additive processes. By recycling existing components, SolidStir makes repair operations more efficient and sustainable.